we had to make a stop because we wanted to see this cricket game. Looks intense. So guys, I'm injured. I was trying to fly the drone and the battery was dying, so I was trying to grab it before it goes into the water, and I almost lost a finger. No bandage here. I'm using some napkins. Hello guys, welcome back to episode 3. Right now we are live from the road. Okay, we are heading to Monthokha road, lake.
Monthokha waterfall.
Monthokha waterfall. And we stopped in the middle of the road because we saw
Cricket match.
some cricket match. I just want to show you guys how it is. Let's go see these people first and then we will head back.
पहली गेंद पर 6 खाने के बाद अच्छा कमबैक किया है मोहम्मद अब्बास ने और जरूरत है 4 गेंदें और निकालने की। मोहम्मद अब्बास ओवर की दूसरी गेंद में शहजाद शेट्टी के लिए अच्छी गेंद है, एक और अच्छी गेंद है, निकाला है टांगों के बीच में से, एक और डॉट मिलेगी। 3 गेंदें बाकी, 6 रन बोर्ड पर और 3 गेंदें बाकी।
Son is enjoying cricket match.
Guys, this is crazy. Like, do you see the? It's cold and they play. I'm freezing.
मोहम्मद अब्बास की दूसरी गेंद खेलता है, गेंद है सीधा शॉट में विकेट के फील्डर के पास, गेंद सिर्फ 1 रन। और अब छोड़ बदल कर स्ट्राइक मिला है दानियाल अजीज को। दानियाल अजीज बड़े शॉट की क्षमता रखते हैं और इंतजार में आशा है बड़े शॉट की।
So funny. So it is cold and we go into Monthokha waterfall and we had to make a stop because we wanted to see this cricket game. Looks intense, so we wanted to check it out. Man, I don't know how they are doing it, but it's cold. It is cold, man. It's cold. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't know how they're playing because I was just cold standing there, and they're playing with just jerseys. I mean, I guess when you run around you'll have some heat, so you know. But right now we are close, almost 5 minutes. We left Sarfaranga Cold desert. From there to Monthokha waterfall is about 1 hour and a half. No,
Maximum 2 hours.
maximum 2 hours. But we are almost reaching right now, inshallah, and we will see the view from here. Guys, we just reached the Monthokha waterfall. Anytime we get close to a water, I feel more colder.
Yes, obviously.
Look, let's look at this. Bismillah. Monthokha treehouse. Wow. Is this like a
Room for rent.
room for rent?
Yes.
Wow. Amazing. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Look at the waterfall. Look at how the water just froze. Bismillah. Guys, these rooms are for rent, but let me just give you a little bit tour of the area. Look at this. I bet this place looks even better during summer. And look at this. Oh my god. Wow. So you can literally sit here with your coffee or tea and just enjoy this beautiful, look at this, look at the waterfall. Wallahi, this trip has been amazing. This is episode 3. We are in Monthokha waterfall. A little bit of information so far about my trip. So far it's been good. You know, you guys have been seeing episode 1 and episode 2, and as a traveler, sometimes, you know, you want to put the camera down and just enjoy the view by yourself. Just literally enjoy the scenery, like just how this is created, you know, like just hear the noise. Let me be silent for a minute. Do you hear the silence? Just that water. Amazing. I don't know what to say. But look at this. This looks like a nice chill zone. Let me take a seat real quick. Ooh la la. You see the waterfall behind me? Wallahi, this is the chill spot. Okay, well, let me show you guys more, because I don't want to. Look at this. Maybe there's some coffee or some tea over there. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. And we have the drone with us, so I'll show you guys properly how it looks. Let's go. Okay guys, we have more crowd as you can see, but this is like a mini cafe. Let's go check out, see what they have. Okay, so it's like a mini cafe. They got some beverages here. What is this? Some jam. Wow. Okay. And some chips. So if you sit here, look at what you get. The view. Voila. They have like a little bridge here. We're gonna cross and go all the way there so you can see the waterfall. Guys, I'm injured. I was trying to fly the drone and the battery was dying, so I was trying to grab it before it goes into the water, and I almost lost a finger. Let me take care of this and then we'll continue. So guys, I was being a little bit dramatic, but you know, I injured my hand. Shah.
I was worried about
Shah is just looking at me like, what the hell is going on? Oh my goodness. No, because I was feeling, you know, I'm cold. I can't feel my hand, and my hand is bleeding at the same time. So I don't know if the cut is deep. I don't know if it's, you know what I mean. And
I hope that the cut is not so deep.
it's not so deep. We will see after I get to the car and I have some heat. But right now I'm just having some coffee so I can feel warm and also have something to eat to have energy, because I'm also running low on energy. And then we will show you guys some of the houses that are here that people rent during summer, not winter, summer, inshallah. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's go check out the houses. So guys, we are told these houses are about 20,000 during summer. I'm thinking that's about $80. And winter is like 40. Ooh la la. Okay, so guys, this is the main bed. Is that a bathroom?
No.
No.
Bathroom is outside.
The bathroom is outside. Okay. Well, they choose this house. Look at the view. You see that? So, okay, so I guess it's worth paying $80 for summer, because this is the view that you guys will get. So this was episode 3, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please don't forget to follow Mr. Shah.
Shah
Kazmi, and don't forget to like my video, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss all the videos that I post in Pakistan. This was series 3, I mean episode 3. I got injured, but at least the view was worth it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for following me, and I'll see you guys on episode 4. Bye bye.